That looks, wow. Look at this. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday. And this week we're coming to you with a pre-made Old Fashioned from High West Distillery. I've been super excited to shoot this from the moment that I bought it for a lot of reasons. A, High West has a very reputable name and brand in the bourbon community. B, this is the most expensive pre-made Old Fashioned that we have ever purchased to date. Now, does that mean it's gonna taste better? We'll find out in a few seconds, but I was super intrigued by that. Price point, $50. You can actually buy a bottle of High West bourbon on the shelf, 750 milliliters, for about $42. This is $50, 750 milliliters. So this is actually more expensive than a full bottle of High West bourbon. So now my expectations are even higher. Get it? No. All right, let's jump into this. If you're just tuning into our channel, what we do is we rate Old Fashions around the entire DMV area. DC, Maryland, Virginia, mostly Virginia, and we also do a ton of premix Old Fashioned reviews. On the premixes, we rate them on 3 different things: appearance, as far as the packaging, marketing materials, the first sip, and the overall taste. It's 0 through 2 on appearance, 0 through 4 on first sip, 0 through 4 on overall taste, maximum score of 10. If you like Old Fashions or you're interested in some good cocktails around the DMV area, if you're not following us, hit us with a follow. If you're watching this on YouTube, definitely hit that subscribe button. We've done over 100+ episodes every single week, every Friday, and we've done that for the last 2.5 years. Again, why we do that, I don't know, but we're doing it. Okay, High West, $50. Let's jump into this appearance. This appearance, we've done some other, here, let me try to focus on the bottle here. Look at this, look at that. I mean, this is sexy. This is, in my opinion, this is what every premix should not identically look like, but about look like. We've done some premixes that had some odd colors like baby pink and baby blue and stuff. I like these colors. You know, you got a bold red, almost maroonish, some dark brown and black colors in there. The bottle itself is dope. And I'm just gonna read what's on the side of it because that's a part of the packaging and the marketing. It says, 1, this was crafted using carefully measured, high quality ingredients, 2 parts whiskey, half part Demerara simple syrup, 3 dashes bitters. 2, we mature the cocktail in used rye barrels for 3 months. So they come up with this concoction, and they put it in a used rye barrel, and they let it age for 3 months. I don't know that any other pre-made Old Fashioned has ever done that or is doing that, which allows the flavors to marry together, creating a rich, smooth, and well-rounded product. 3, pour it over ice, and you can use an orange or lemon twist as a garnish if you want to. I'm not going to do either of those. And then I want to put one last note that says on the side of the bottle. It says, as you raise your glass to the high mountain sunset, rest assured we've taken every step to craft a cocktail for discerning whiskey lovers like us. That just sounds dope. You know what I mean? Like, no one's writing anything like that on a pre-mix Old Fashioned. Like, that sounds dope. So, as far as the appearance is concerned, they have the dope colors, they have a dope bottle. The fact that it's aged for 3 months in a barrel, it lets you know that, and it also has these, like, dope little quotes in here. Full 2 off of appearance. Let's jump into first sip, and I haven't even cracked this yet. Here we go. Nice. I'm telling you, man, this is nice. Got a little cork top. Let's see if we get that pop. Oh, yeah. Got the pop. A little swirl. Here we go. Smells good. Smells what it should smell like. Okay. Look at that color, man. Woo! Look at this color. Look at that color. I shoot these premixes in the same room, and there's a lot of natural daylight coming in this room, and most of these look super light. They look like almost like a yellowish tint because you're getting these cool bluish light coming in. This is nice. That looks, wow. Look at this. This looks like an Old Fashioned should look, and we've never had one look like that. Man, I hope this is good, because if it's not, it's gonna go south quick. Here we go, first sip. Jesus. 86 proof, which is 43% alcohol. All first sip. I think maybe some of this marketing material is getting inside my head, like, oh, they aged it for 3 months. Oh man, you can definitely taste that. Not necessarily you can taste that. There's a little spice to it. And when I say a little, I mean just a touch. It's definitely not overbearing. A lot of these premixes were either way too spicy, meaning there was just way too much burn, and there wasn't a well-rounded balance between the simple syrup or sugar, or they were way too sweet, so they just dumped way too much sugar or simple syrup in it. This, I would say is most likely the most well-balanced OF. This is the closest tasting premix old fashioned that tastes like an old fashioned that you would get at a good cocktail bar, which is almost impossible to do, by the way. It's very difficult. First sip, whew. Again, touch on the spicy side. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna go 3.8 out of 4 on first sip, which is insanely high. Insanely high. Here we go, overall. It's very smooth. I don't want people to get turned off when I say there's a touch of spiciness, because although there is spiciness to it, it does go down incredibly smooth. You taste the spiciness, you don't feel it. They're doing something inside this bottle to ensure that that happens. I don't know what they're doing, but that's dope. All right, I'm gonna stick to the same 3.896 High West Distillery. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers.